Hello guys, welcome back to Hyderabadi Pakwan. Today we will learn how to make Bhendi ki fried rice. In a non-stick pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir for 3-4 seconds or until the ginger garlic paste turns golden brown. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add fried bhendi to the ginger garlic paste. For bhendi fry, you can check the link in the description box below. Saute for a minute on a medium to low flame. Add the cooked rice to the pan. 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder and some coriander leaves. 4 to 5 curry leaves and 3 green chilies. Mix everything well and adjust the salt according to your taste. And keep mixing it. Cook it on a medium to low flame for 2 more minutes. Add few drops of water. Close the lid and steam it for 1 more minute. Your bhendi fried rice is ready to serve. You can have this with freshly chopped cucumbers and mango pickle. This is a very good option for lunchbox recipes. Also pair it with some fresh fruits and salad and some fresh Greek yogurt. If you find our recipes helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel Hyderabadi Pakwan. Thank you.